What is going on, y'all? Robert Sykes, Keto Savage, KetoBrick.com, and I have got a special announcement for all y'all today. So, we are rolling into the 1st of October. It's getting colder outside, so it makes sense to launch a new Keto Brick flavor. We're going to relaunch the Buttered Maple Pecan Keto Brick. That's kind of our seasonal favorite flavor. It's got bits and pieces of pecan in there. It's got the Buttered Maple Pecan taste. It's amazing. The macros are on point. It's got the pecan butter in there, and it's absolutely delicious. And we were thinking, we're relaunching the Buttered Maple Pecan, but we've relaunched that twice now in the past. What can we do to spice things up a little bit even more? So, since we've been doing these giveaways, we figured we'd time the Buttered Maple Pecan relaunch with a giveaway. The last giveaway we did was the Cold Plunge from the Plunge brand because it was hot outside. Everybody's been talking and jamming with the cold plunges, so we felt a cold plunge would be, a relevant thing to launch as a giveaway during the summer months. As we're getting colder, we're getting into the seasonal butter maple pecan style atmosphere. What can we do to get things kind of in line with that cooler temperature? A sauna. So we're going to be giving away an awesome infrared sauna from Sauna Saunas is the brand. This bad boy is a 2-person sauna made from hemlock. I'm just going to read through some of the specs here. So it is a near, far, and mid full spectrum infrared sauna. So it's going to have the near penetration, the mid-range penetration of the infrared, and the far infrared. A lot of the infrared saunas are just one. This is full spectrum, so you're getting near, far, and mid-range penetration, which is great there. It is a 2-person sauna, like I said. It plugs into a standard home wall outlet, so super easy to use there. It's just plug and play. This bad boy's got all the bells and whistles. It has got a Bluetooth with auxiliary connection, a calf heater, chromotherapy lighting systems, enlarged floor heater, a towel bar, a magazine rack, exterior accent lights, 2 dynamic speakers with preamps, a bronzed privacy tempered glass door, collapsible drink shelf, roof vent, and a whole bunch of other things. This is kind of one of the higher-end 2-person saunas that Sauna Saunas offers. I believe I had the owner of Sauna Saunas on my podcast a while back. I love what he's doing. I love kind of how he's structured the brand, the quality and integrity of the product. I'm going to be envious and jealous whoever wins this giveaway because I've been wanting a sauna myself, and I don't have one yet, but whoever wins this is going to be getting this awesome 2-person sauna from Sauna Sauna shipped to their door. So, if you've been living under a rock and you don't know how our Keto Brick giveaways work, it's super simple. This particular giveaway is going to be running the entire month of October. So from midnight on the 1st of October until 11:59 p.m. on October 31st, every $10 spent on KetoBrick.com enters you in for a chance to win this sauna. Every $10 spent equals 1 entry ticket. The more bricks you buy, the more entry tickets you get. On November 1st, we're going to be randomly drawing that winner. I will contact them, I'll send them an email, and I'll say, hey, congrats, you won a $5,000 sauna. What's a good shipping address for you? And I will ship them this sauna free of charge on their part. They just get this awesome sauna for buying Keto Bricks. So again, this is a $5,000 sauna. It is a 2-person hemlock, far, mid, extreme, full spectrum infrared sauna from Sauna Saunas. I'll put the link in the description. You can kind of do some more research there. It plugs into a standard wall outlet in your home. It is for indoor use, so make sure you've got space for this bad boy. But I am super excited about it. It's going to be amazing. And again, we are pairing this up with the relaunch of the Buttered Maple Pecan Keto Bricks. You don't have to get a Buttered Maple Pecan brick if that's not your flavor to be entered in to win. All entrants are entered if they purchase $10 more on KetoBrick.com throughout the entire month of October. Again, this is going to run from midnight on October 1st until 11:59 p.m. on October 31st. Every $10 spent equals 1 entry ticket, and we will be randomly drawing the winner on November 1st. So head on over to KetoBrick.com, get you some bricks, get entered in a chance to win this $5,000 sauna, jump on the relaunch of the Buttered Maple Pecan Bricks, and much love to you all. Again, I really hope these giveaways are exciting for y'all. A lot of companies do giveaways, and it's like kind of, Pinley stuff. We're trying to like go all out with these giveaways with things that are on brand in the biohacking space, in the health and nutrition space. We've given away a smoker. We've given away a kayak. We've given away a squat rack, a cold plunge, and now we're going to be giving away this awesome infrared sauna. So I'm super excited about it. Hope y'all are super excited about it. Head on over to ketobrick.com, snag you some bricks, get entered in to win, and best of luck to y'all. I hope you win this sauna.